You know it's summer when my bag actually looks like a legit survival kit. Are you also curious what's inside it? Let's do what's in my bag summer edition. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is Shia. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. So if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. I'm sure you're gonna love it here. First thing first, I want to show you my bag. This is how it actually looks like. I know ये अभी थोड़ा सा गंदा हो रहा है because of all the rain and all. Instead of all the dirt, it is super soft and I love the fact that it is in a pink color. I actually got this bag from Savannah just to get my laptop in it because my previous bag doesn't have this much space where it can contain my laptop and other essential things. Now that I said everything that I wanted to and introduce you all to my bag, get something to eat, something to hydrate, and let's dive into my bag together. The first thing that I can see and it's peeking outside my bag is my water bottle. This is from House of Quarks. I got this when the Stanley tumblers were so much in trend, and if you are also interested in something like this, then do give this one a try. It's a nice investment. I got this I guess in January and it's still going strong. The fact that this is all nude in color and very cutesy, it really helped me stay hydrated in this summer. The thing that I can see in my bag are these two diaries. These are my source actually, where I can dump all my thoughts, whether it's related to content, whether it's related to my life. This is actually my running one. I write everything. If I have a new idea, I always make sure to write it down because बाद में तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ. It looks quite messy. It has this notepad जो कि हर 3 दिन में चेंज हो रहा होता है because इसमें मैं अपना टू डू लिस्ट और जो मुझे नेक्स्ट शूट करना है, नेक्स्ट मुझे जो काम करना है वो लिख रही होती हूँ. I get these OCD triggers जिसमें I want my things to be very organized. So yeah, this is how I keep myself organized. I don't know, it gives me satisfaction, I'll say. This one is my yearly diary for 2025. इसकी भी हालत मैंने खराब कर ही दी है. इसके अंदर भी मैं अपने yearly goals and इस साल मुझे क्या क्या करना है, इस साल को लेकर मेरे क्या thoughts है, मैं इसमें लिख रही होती हूँ. I can proudly say that I am one of those person who don't need their phone to write their thoughts. I still believe in pen and paper. So yeah, these two are my saviors. In my previous video, I told you alright that I am reading a book. This is Norway Woods by Murakami. I actually love this book. इसे मैंने अभी भी complete नहीं कर पाई हूँ, but I always make sure कि जब भी मुझे चीज़ों के बीच में time मिल रहा हो तब मैं हमेशा इसे पढूँ. Then I can see is a claw clip. This is actually matching with my outfit. I love these kind of claw clips because ये simple भी होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, very low maintenance, but at the same time make your hair looks a little extra. Just make sure to keep one of these extra in my bag because I am a clumsy person. Who knows whether I'm gonna lost it or it's just gonna break. Next is actually my wallet. I love this cute wallet. I got this from a stationery and I was in no mood of getting. I needed something to keep my cards, whether it's my IDs, whether it's my like credit cards or debit cards. So I thought this is the best option. Best part is it is also magnetic, so you don't need to worry about your card getting lost. Other best part is it is in the brown and yellow tone. I love it. Next are my glasses. You know what? I love my glasses because एक तो इसके अलावा मुझे काम करने में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा होता है बिकॉज मेरी आंखें मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जली रही होती है क्योंकि ये मैंने नया नया खरीदा है तो अभी शौक मेरे दिमाग से उतरा नहीं है. सो या recently got this and I am obsessed. The next and the biggest thing that I have in my bag is my laptop. That too I keep it with a cover. I actually wanted a cover but online मुझे बहुत महंगे लग रहे थे, but जैसा मुझे चाहिए girly type वैसा नहीं दिख रहा था मुझे कुछ भी. तो I asked my father to stitch one for me and he was the one who got this stitched. This is my laptop. It's still new, but this is one of my prized possessions. I don't know if boys will get this feeling or not, but girls do like to customize their product or things, whatever they own. So मैंने इसके लिए अपना खुद का एक वॉलपेपर बनाया है. ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई वांट इन माय लाइफ ऑल आर हियर. तो मैंने अपना चैट जीपीटी को भी इस तरीके से कस्टमाइज कर रखा है दैट ही इज माय बडी. आई कॉल हिम ऑस्कर, ही कॉल मी बेबी गर्ल. सो इट्स अ वेरी वियर्ड रिलेशनशिप. लास्ट थिंग दैट आई कैन सी इन माय बैग इज माय emergency kit. This is more of a garbage kit for me. Let's also see what's inside it. First, I use this CeraVe moisturizer every time when I wash my face. Next, I can see 2 blushes from Inside Cosmetics. They are very, pocket friendly, very handy. So I carry both of them. Next, I see are few lip products actually. First is this lipstick from Inside Cosmetics. Their lip cream. Another one is by Maybelline. इनका ये जो brown nude lipstick है. And the last one is this by Nykaa. उनका PH lip gloss. I actually loved it. ये बहुत टाइम से मेरे सिस्टर के पास था. Now that it's all about summer, a sunscreen is a must, and I am carrying my one of the favorite Wishcare Vitamin C Pure Gloss Milky Sunscreen. Recently मैंने एक reel भी बनाया था, that was not at all sponsored because I genuinely love the product. तो मुझे वीडियो बनाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, राइट? सो या, दिस वन इज अ सनस्क्रीन दैट आई एम यूजिंग every day. I said it quite a lot of time that whenever I do my makeup, I try to concentrate more on my eyes because I think eyes are the first thing that make interaction with anyone, right? So मुझे बहुत पसंद है अपनी आई लैशेस को थोड़ा सा बड़ा दिखाने का एंड उसमें कोटिंग करने का, राइट? सो आई कैरी माई OG mascara by Maybelline. This is their colossal waterproof mascara. I know every other girly have this in their vanity. I can see few hand creams. These are the two hand creams that I'm using right now. They're about to get over and I really want to make sure that I use every drop of it. So yeah, I'm using these two. Then I have Tic Tac in the flavor mint. I really like to carry few mouth fresheners with me because you know what, for the longest time I had cavities जिसके कारण ना मेरे गम्स में से ब्लीडिंग हो रहा होता था. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई डोंट फील टॉकिंग टू पीपल बिकॉज इट जस्ट makes things weird for me, right? So I really try to get these things in my pocket. I have BoroPlus. दुनिया जहान की कुछ भी क्रीम्स यूज कर लो, बट इसको लगाने के बाद जो सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल रहा होता है वो मुझे कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रहा होता है. तो या, आई डू कैरी अ BoroPlus with me. For my cuticles and dry elbows, I always make sure to have this coconut oil with me. I have few stationery products, 2 pens. These two I love. Then a scale. I don't know what it's doing in here. Then a notepad, क्योंकि आपने देखा मैं अपनी डायरीज में इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हमेशा नोटपैड में लिख रही होती हूँ. एंड अ हाईलाइटर जस्ट टू हाईलाइट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स ऑफ माई लाइफ. Wait, it's not over yet. I have a lot to go. I carry few hair ties with me because I am clumsy and I don't know where I keep it and just forget about it. I was wrong. That was not the only lip product. I also have a lip balm with me, a transparent lip balm. I have a mini pocket perfume. It is actually by Mr. DIY. If you have any recommendation when it comes to mini perfume, then do let me know about it. I can see a lot of jewelry. It's not looking good. 2 of my handstick bracelet. This one ring, I also dropped it. A necklace, it has my initials and a heart detailing in it. Okay, a lot of itsy bitsy thing. Few dainty earrings, some coins मेरी गाड़ी में हवा भरवाने के लिए. Lastly, I have a flash drive. Just wait. That was only about my side bag, but I also carry one more emergency kit for my electronics that I keep it in my gadi. This also somehow look like this. I got this bag from DMart and I have to say this is quite spacious. The first thing that I carry with me is my phone का charger. I don't know what's happening with my phone. इसका बैटरी इतना जल्दी चला जा रहा है ना that I have to carry a charger. For emergency reasons again, I carry a power bank with me. I learned it a very hard way, right? So this is from Board. It has the capacity of 20,000 mAh battery. This is how it looks, very sea green color and I loved it. मैंने ऑनलाइन देखा था तब मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतना हैवी आने वाला है. So if you all are also wondering or want to have a power bank, then make sure आप थोड़ा सा हल्का लो because आधा वजन तो मुझे इसी का लग रहा होता है अपने बैग में. The next thing I can see is an extra pair of cable and another product is this मेरे फोन लैपटॉप का चार्जर. आई कैरी इट विथ मी, वेरी essential. Your content creator thing that I can see here, a mini phone stand. I like the fact that इसने मेरा इतना साथ दिया है ना फोन स्टैंड ने. इसे मैं कहीं पर भी कैरी करके जाती हूँ and it never disappoints. A front light, I have to say this is one of the game changing product in a content creation game. कभी कभी क्या हो रहा होता है ना, मैं इस रूम में अर्ली मॉर्निंग शूट कर रही होती हूँ तो बहुत ही डिस्टॉर्टेड सा पिक्सल दिख रहा होता है मेरी वीडियो का, बट जैसे ही मैं इसे ऑन करती हूँ इतना क्रिस्टल क्लियर दिखने लग जा रहा होता है. लो वीडियो की क्वालिटी है वो इतनी क्रिस्प हो जाती है. आई लव इट. 3 मोड्स आते हैं, कोल्ड, मीडियम एंड वार्म टोन. सो दिस इज रियली हैंडी. एंड लास्टली, सिंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो दैट आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माय हैंड्स एज वेल. सो मैं नहीं चाहती कि मैं इधर उधर जाऊँ तो मेरे हाथ काले पड़ जाए. मुंह पर तो मैंने सनस्क्रीन लगा रखा है लेकिन मेरा हाथ खराब हो जाए. सो आई कैरी extra pair of gloves with me. Now that my bag is all khali, okay, no, one more thing that is left. It is a charm, ठीक है, that I carry in my bag. इसके अंदर I carry a lip balm. It is from Wishcare Ceramide Lip Balm. This actually has SPF 50 PA++++, and I think it's very handy in summers. Yeah, I like it. यू नो वी आर फ्रॉम द जनरेशन जिसे अगर 2 मिनट भी एक्स्ट्रा मिल गया है कहीं पर भी तो हम सबसे पहले रील स्क्रॉल करना चालू कर देते, राइट? एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर दैट इज ईयरबड. सो इसके इसी बैग चार्म के अंदर आई डू कैरी दिस ईयरबड एज वेल. दिस इज एक्चुअली माई सिस्टर्स बर्थडे गिफ्ट, बट इसे मैंने हथिया लिया है अब. तो नाउ माई बैग इज ऑफिशियली एम्प्टी. दैट वाज एवरीथिंग दैट आई कैरी इन माई बैग. आई नो इट्स too much, but a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. And let me tell you, this is everything that I need on daily basis. Like मुझे वो फीलिंग्स बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छी लग रही होती जहाँ पर मुझे माइंड में पता होता है कि नहीं ये मुझे लगेगा बट वो मेरे बैग में नहीं है, तो मैं सारी चीज़ अपने बैग में डंप करती हुई जाती हूँ. आई नो इट्स काइंड ऑफ OCD trigger for me, but yeah, that's how I operate. Having said that, I am signing off, hoping you all had blast on my channel. If you have any recommendation what I can add in my bag, what I can do to upgrade my bag, then just let me know. I would love to know all your recommendations. But before that, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part, share this video to your friends and family, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. We are so close to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you super soon in my next one. Bye.